Yo guys, this product costs less than $1 and make millions of dollars every month on the internet. I want to show you exactly how actually people making money from this really cheap product that actually solve a problem to everyone in the world. So if you go to Amazon, which is the biggest marketplace in the world, and you can take statistics from here, you can see that this product sold in the last 30 days 6,000, okay, 150, another 6,000. Okay, don't look at the model because there is a lot of opportunities over here with the same product. 300, 2K. Okay, this is a big amount. 6,000, this is a lot. All right, and if you go also to Facebook ads, you can find that this product dropshipped really massively right now and making a lot of money because the profit margin is double 10, which is a lot. And if you go to Shopify stores, you can see how much that actually they sold it and what is the profit margin that actually they made. But if you don't know me, guys, I made over $19 million, and I want to show you exactly the method that actually I find hot products and help you to get the products right to your desk in 10 minutes. All you need to do is just go to my school community, subscribe, and I will send you all the list of my listings exactly, okay, how I do that and show you the exact method that helped me to find on daily basis winning products to scale my business to this big amount. Want to see you inside.